Couple of power tools. Hyundai has a jigsaw apparently. Hyundai has a circular saw. Typical heat guns, belt sanders. So about $56.80. Bench grinders all about the same price. A lot of Makita stuff over here. Eastern Europe. Price is not too far off. For example, here's a battery operated power drill on sale for 200 euros, so figure 220 US. Palm sanders, some big old cutters and grinders. Bosch is big over here. Their drills seem a little pricey. There's some impact drills up there, 18 volts. Cordless. And they're 189 euros, 140 euro, 245 euro. Those seem a little pricier. Bosch skill saw, 120 euros. Some big Bosch cutters. And then DeWalt. DeWalt's over here as well. 400 euros for that pneumatic framing nailer. 318 for that other pneumatic nailer. Sawzall, corded, 150 euros. Drill, 80 euros. So DeWalt stuff, not too terribly priced. And they have several other selections. Pressure washer, 125 euros for electric pressure washer. 170 for a 2000 watt pressure washer. 300 euros, so about $330 for compound sliding miter. Now that's pricey, 602 euros for a DeWalt shop vacuum. Wow. It's close to $700 after taxes in the US. Generators, 240 euros. So right now the $1.10 buys 1 euro. December 2019. These shop vacs much cheaper, 71 euros. So that DeWalt shop vac. Wow. It's quite the shop vac. Makita compound sliding miter, 390 euros. Kind of interesting. You always wonder what other countries have. A lot of local brands, but the big Makita, Bosch, DeWalt. Typical tools, nails, fasteners, lasers, tripod. About 310 bucks. Tripod. Some other lasers as well. So about $1.10 buys. Looks like a sniffer. Buys, or no, cameras. Okay, cameras. Buys 110, buys 1 euro. It's a big mixer. That's pretty pricey. It must be some great mixer, 325 euros for a corded mud, cement, mastic mixer.